In this video, I want to show you how to fix microphone not working in Windows. If your laptop microphone is not working, let me show you how to fix it. So to fix it is quite simple. The first method to solve it, come to this start icon, click on it, then click on settings. This will open the settings page. Then scroll down and come to this privacy. When it opens, scroll down and locate microphone. Here is it. Click on it. Now when you click on it, here, allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure it's on. If it is off, then your microphone will not work. So allow apps to access your microphone. Make sure you turn it on. Then if you scroll down, choose which Microsoft Store app can access your microphone. Here you see list of apps that have access to your microphone. If, for example, you are using Skype and the microphone is not working, come here and you can see here that it is off. So make sure you turn it on. So likewise, this WhatsApp. If you are using WhatsApp and the microphone is not working, come here and turn it on. So any apps you are using that is not working, come to this place and check it to make it on. So this is the first method. So if after doing this, after allowing it, turning this on, it's still not working, let me show you the second way to fix it. So let's close this page. The second way to fix it, come to this search button, click on it and search for control panel. Click to open the control panel. When it opens, come to hardware and sound. Click on it. Come to sound. Click on it. This will open this sound page. Here is my speaker. So I will select it. If you have other attached speaker, make sure you select the default speaker. Select it and make it default. Because I'm having only one speaker, that is why it's already automatically set as default. So make sure you select your device speaker and make it the default. Then secondly, double click your speaker just like this. It will open this speaker properties. Then come to level. Here, make sure you set the level to the maximum. So if it is at minimum like this, drag it to the maximum just like this. Click on OK and click on OK. So I hope these two methods will fix your microphone issue. So let's know in the comment section which of the method works for you. Thank you for watching.